Kanku Sho! Kanku Sho! What's up guys, welcome to Ultimate Karate. In today's lesson we're learning kata Kanku Sho. So if you guys are ready, let's get right into it. Hey, Kanku Sho. Start off, take your bow, os. And after kata Kanku Sho, first three moves are going to be a sequence of morote oke, okay, reinforced block in kokotsudachi. So I'm stepping out my right leg first from here into morote oke, kokotsudachi. Then I'm going to turn around, shift with my left leg, morote oke to the other side, and then I'm going to take my right leg, shift back, morote oke to the middle. Once you reach the middle, you do 3 punches. With each punch, you add uchi oke. Okay, try not to go bum, bum. All right, from here, maintain your hips in shomen, square. So you're here, that was first punch. Second, and number 3, you kiai, hey! So on number 3, no uchi-oke, just basic oizuki. So from the kiai punch, you're gonna go into the signature position of the kata. This is a wrist grab, okay? Locking onto your opponent's wrist. So to do that, I'm gonna turn around, I'm gonna shift my left leg, right hand reaches under and over. Compression, turn your wrist out. So not like bassai where it's straight. Kanku Sho, turn your wrist out to grab your opponent. From here, I kick. At the same time, I pull back my hands, block and parry, uraken. Landing in kosadashi, uchi-oke, double punch, and double block. Okay, this is downward block, and this is uchi-oke out to the side. My stance is kokotsudachi. Okay, downward block back up, standing straight up, and repeat that sequence, the signature sequence to the front. Okay, compress everything. Once everything's compressed, kick, and all right, from here, coming back up, instead of repeating the sequence, we go manjioke to our left, okay? Chamber and double punch. Straight with my left, kagizuki with my right. Manjioke to the right side. It is kokutsudachi, chamber, and punch. From here, I open my hands. Same time, half step with my left. And imagine you're catching the bow as you shift into kokutsudachi. From here, I snap down, shift my stance into furodachi, okay, sochin stance. And then you're gonna go 360 jump, shutoke, right here. From this position, I go yoko geri kiage, and piuchi. Yoko geri kiage, and piuchi. And back to the signature position. Kick, block parry, uraken, uchoke. And instead of turning around, you're going to wind up for another jump. You're gonna land in a crouching position, okay? Hands are wide. You can go onto your palms, but you wanna land with your fingertips here. This shows control and finesse. From this position, don't stay here too long. As you land, low shutoke, gera. From the low shutoke, step forward, another shutoke, turn around, uchioke, like jion. Hai, oizuki, zenku tsudachi front stance, uchioke, and hai, yai. Hayam. And bow. Os. Alright, so now that you guys have a better understanding of the kata, I'm going to count it out for you guys step by step. So here we go. Hey, yoi, bow, os. Now to kata, Kanku Sho. Okay, ready? Ich, moratte, ni, san, hai, middle, and hai, yeah. Turn around, ich, ni, san, shi, go, ro, sich, punch, hu, ju, ich, ni, san, shi, go, rook, sich, punch, hu, ju, ich, ni, san, shi, go, rook, sich, punch, hu, ju, ich, ai, HEIAN, hai, bow.